So children, today we are going to do small letters A to Z. Okay, so we are going to do small letters A to Z with their pictures. Okay, so let's start. First letter that we have is A. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. A is for ambulance. And A is for ant. Now the next letter is B. B is for ball. B is for boy. B is for bag. And B is for bird. Next letter is C. C is for cherries. C is for carrot. C is for cake. And C is for cat. This is letter D. D is for doll. D is for dog. D is for duck. And D is for doctor. Nowadays we need him a lot. Next letter is E. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for ears. And E is for eyes. Next letter is F. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for flower. And F is for fan. G. G is for grapes. G is for giraffe. G is for gift. And G is for girl. This is letter H. H is for helicopter. H is for house. H is for horse. And H is for hat. I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice. I is for igloo. And I is for insect. J. J is for joker. J is for juice. J is for jelly. And J is for jacket. K. K is for king. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. And K is for keys. Next letter is L. L is for lion. L is for lock. L is for iguana. And L is for ladybird. Next letter we have is M. M is for monkey. M is for mango. M is for milk. And M is for mouse. N. N is for nurse. N is for nest. N is for notebook. And N is for nut. Next letter is O. O is for orange. O is for owl. O is for ox. And O is for onion. P. P is for parrot. P is for pencil. P is for penguin. And P is for pumpkin. pumpkin. Next letter is Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quite. Q is for question. And Q is for quill. R. R is for rat. R is for rocket. R is for rabbit. And R is for rainbow. S. S is for sun. S is for snake. S is for ship. And S is for strawberries. T. T is for tiger. T is for tree. T is for tent. And T is for turtle. U. U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. U is for uniform. And U is for urn. Next letter is V. V is for van. V is for violin. V is for vegetables. And V is for vulture. W. W is for watch. W is for watermelon. W is for wall. And W is for whale. X. X is for Xmas tree. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone. And X is for X-ray fish. Y. Y is for yellow. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. And Y is for yacht. Z. Z is for zoo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. And Z is for zigzag. Okay, now all of you, we are going to revise all the letters together. What we are going to do, small letters A to Z. So all of you are going to say with me. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So thank you for watching. I hope all of you learned the small letters A to Z.